Welcome back to our channel. This video is related to biggest off-campus IBM off-campus hiring. Pan-India hiring is announced. Candidate all over the India can apply. But yesterday I uploaded Infosys 2026 batch hiring. But today I am uploading IBM software engineering internship opportunity. But don't apply blindly, because if there is a ongoing process or you are in the cooling period, then what is the process and how to apply? Because in this video there is a fresher opportunities for mass hiring is going on, and the package is 30 LPA 35 LPA very easily. So please do subscribe my channel, like this video, and please watch video till end. This is the warning to you. Watch video till end, then take any action. So IBM just announced the software engineer internship. Bangalore location is there. This is an internship, and if you see, this is entry level opportunity and internship with a fixed term, means after that you will see the full time opportunity, and this is general day shift like 9 to 5. Now what is the process? Now just scroll down and check this. BTech Computer Science IT Software Engineering is eligible. Scroll down and check 0 to 1 year of experience is needed. It means even 26, 25, 23, 24 batch is eligible. But if you are in the process and you are suffering from cooling period, then you can't apply. 0 to 1 year of experience is needed. And what is the main thing? Like if you are applying but not updating resume, then there is no shortlisting. So computer architecture knowledge, code design is compulsory. Anyone programming in but C++ is mandatory, and scripting में Python shell कर सकते हो. Problem solving and communication is compulsory. Integration IT, CT, CD or CI is compulsory. GitHub is compulsory. Linux, Unix is compulsory to put in resume. नाउ यहाँ पे और भी चीज़ें हैं, चाहो तो ऐड करो और करना भी चाहिए इफ़ यू वांट द शॉर्टलिस्टिंग मेल, बट वो चीज़ ज़रूर करना जो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ में लिखी हुई है, क्योंकि रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ में एज इट इज़ यही चीज़ लिखी है. इट मीन्स यू हैव टू पुट ऑल डोमेन, बिकॉज ऑल डोमेन यू विल यूज इन रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. सो प्लीज अप्लाई एज सुन एज पॉसिबल. एंड वन मोर थिंग वांट टू टेल यू, क्लिक ऑन अप्लाई नाउ. And the thing is, don't take referral, because this is fresher opportunity. Internship is going on, so don't take referral. Just apply it as soon as possible. Update your resume, and believe me, 0 to 1 year of experience है तो 25, 24, 23 मोस्टली एलिजिबल है, बट 26 का डाउट है, बट अप्लाई कर सकते हो, तो इसमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. ठीक है. और जब तुम्हारे पास मास हायरिंग आएगी ऑफ कैंपस 2026 की, तब भी तुम अप्लाई कर सकते हो. इसमें कोई वो नहीं है. ठीक है. अप्लाई करो बिंदास. 26 होके भी अप्लाई कर सकते हो. सो अप्लाइड एज सुन एज पॉसिबल. दिस इज द मास अपॉर्चुनिटी. देन चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट, then standard chartered. So standard chartered just announced the official fresher opportunity. Tomorrow is the last date. 15th March is the last date. Scroll down and private bank operation, और ये पूरा फाइनेंस से रिलेटेड है, बट कंप्यूटर नॉलेज इज कंपल्सरी. इट मीन्स you can also apply if you are from BE BTech. That's why I uploaded this video. That's why I uploaded this hiring. So please, if you are from finance background, bachelor degree, BE BTech भी eligible है, but you must know about computer. ठीक है. And और भी चीज़ें हैं जो कि responsibilities है. Put all these domain resume and get the shortlisting mail. But believe me, tomorrow is the last date. Bangalore location is there. Don't take referral. Just hit the apply button as soon as possible. Just now after updating resume. So Meesho announced the executive assistance internship Bangalore location. Mostly Bangalore location में ही है यार, ज़्यादातर मतलब Bangalore में hiring है. ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे समझने की ज़रूरत है कौन एलिजिबल है. इंटर्नशिप और कैंपस लीडरशिप एक्सपीरियंस आर प्लस वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ऑफिस सूट और इंटरपर्स स्किल्स. दैट्स इट. इसके अलावा कुछ भी नहीं है. बस स्क्रॉल डाउन करोगे तो देखोगे यहाँ पे ये अप्लाई नाउ का बटन तो मिल जाएगा, बट यहाँ पे ऐसा कुछ नहीं लिखा है कि कौन सी डिग्री एलिजिबल है. बट नॉन टेक स्टूडेंट इज एलिजिबल. सो प्लीज अप्लाई एज सुन एज पॉसिबल. अपडेट योर रेज्यूमे एंड हिट द अप्लाई बटन एज सुन एज पॉसिबल. लाइक दिस वीडियो. So now Google announced the big opportunity. Package is 25, 30, 35 LPA. Hyderabad location is the early career opportunity. Product software engineer role is there. And if you see that BE BTech Computer Science IT software engineering is eligible. And one more thing want to tell you, in this hiring only 26 batches eligible. So these are your responsibilities. Read responsibilities carefully. Read preferred qualification. Read minimum qualification. And put all these domain which is written here. Just ignore this experience, because this is just for 2026 grads, and even 25 is also eligible, and the role is product software engineer. So hit the apply button as soon as possible. This is not normal opportunity. This is big opportunity, but only the thing is matter जो कि भाई टेक्निकल कॉन्सेप्ट और DSA वगैरह थोड़ा बहुत नहीं, अच्छा खासा आना चाहिए तो हमें कि तुम टैकल कर पाओ. तो IBM के लिए अप्लाई कैसे करना है? स्टैंडर्ड चार्टर्ड, मीशो एंड गूगल. आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू हाउ टू अप्लाई, व्हाट टू पुट इन रेज्यूमे. So for this, hit the apply button. Do subscribe my channel, like this video. Thanks for watching.